breaking news. Larry Hoover has been released from ADX Supermax per Donald Trump. Round of applause to Donald Trump. Round of applause. Round of applause. Okay, relax. He done let a lot of my brothers home that was in prison for life without chance of parole. I have two of them here that want to personally wish Larry Hoover, welcome home. But before we begin, let's get the music, man. All right, you know what it is. Unique Mac Audio, man. Larry Hoover has been released from federal prison. If you don't know who Larry Hoover is, I'm going to give you a short synopsis. And I got Akbar Prey here. I got Jojo Capone. And I got Notulus, a.k.a. Not. He's going to tell you who he is. These is all official brothers. And I just want to say that, man, law is good, Big Dirk, he's home, Little Dirk going through it, but that's why we got to come together and push forward. And but now let me tell you a little something about Larry. Larry Hoover is 73 and from Jackson, Mississippi, is a former gangster and the founder of the Chicago street gang Gangster Disciples. In 1973, Hoover allegedly ordered a murder and was sentenced to 150 to 200 years in Illinois State Prison. A federal investigation later led to his conviction for running a continual criminal enterprise, aka a CCE. I was charged with a CCE. A CCE is saying that you continue to run a drug enterprise. That's a violation of Title 21. It's kissing cousins to the RICO that they're using on all the rappers now. Young Thug, Diddy, Lil Durk, they all kissing cousins. With the RICO, you got to have 2 predicates. The CCE, you got to have 3 predicates. And with the RICO, it got to be carried more than a year and a day. And with the CCE, it has to be a drug charge.